Now we need a tablecloth for our party table, and I found this great tropical print tablecloth at the Dollar Tree. I love the colors in this, and I'm going to use this as a lot of inspiration for my party table. I'm going to use the pineapple inspiration, very tropical, very Hawaii, the hibiscus, that pink color, that bright pink color. We're going to use that as inspiration too. And I think this is so pretty. Now, these tablecloths from the Dollar Tree that they have in the summer, they're like flannel backed, but they're really thin. But I think it would definitely work for a party. I don't know how well it would work for day to day though. So here's my party table that I've set up in front of my window. I like to trim my party tablecloths down to size. And so that is what I'm doing. I'm just cutting what I need to go on the top part of the table. Now I have an idea to do like a table skirt to, box that all in and make it look really cute. And this is how we're going to do it with some more of the luau skirts. Now this is the adult size, so this is the longer one, but I love using these. You'll see I use these a couple times today for like a table skirt or something like that. It works really well. It's all tied up into a skirt anyway, so it just makes sense to use that as a table skirt. So I'm just going to open these up. They're already tied on the twine. So it's just a matter of stringing those around the edges of my party table. And then we can decorate it even more from there. I love decorating with these. So I just kind of peel up my tablecloth and I'm just using like packing tape, just some clear packing tape, something that's going to be easy to remove after the party, and just putting that on my party table. My party table is nice and clean because I got a new one. My husband took my party table to work and like destroyed it. And I love the little party tables that fold up really flat. This one like folds up and then folds in half, so it's really easy to store. So I just taped that all the way around, and that is how our little grass skirt looks. I'm also going to tape down the corners of my tablecloth just to make sure that they stay in place, and also like round off the edges. Now, to kind of cover up the transition part, I thought I would use some of this mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I love this. The tan one's my favorite. I think it kind of looks a little bit like fishing net, like all like crazy fishing net. And so that's what we're going to use because, I want to kind of do a little bit of a coastal theme with this as well to go with the luau tropical party theme. So I just attach that to the back, just tying it on with the actual grass skirt. Why not? It's already there. So I just do the same thing here in the corner. And I just kind of want to cover that transition between the tablecloth and the grass skirt. And then I thought we should decorate it a little bit more too. So I found these tropical looking flowers. This is a magnolia. Nice big white flowers. I think that's going to look really cute to decorate our table with. And so I'm just going to pop the flowers off of the arrangement, and then we can just use those to decorate that. I think I wanted to kind of stay with like the pink, white color scheme there of that tablecloth. And then I also found these pink ones. These are called Cosmos. And I think these are going to be lovely as well. If you can find some of the new hibiscus garland that they've been having at Dollar Tree, they have like a bright pink flower. They also have an orange one too. Either one would be really pretty. And then I'm just going to simply hot glue these to that ribbon. And we're just going to kind of alternate those. I kind of like lay them out the way that I want them. I want them to kind of go white, pink, all the way around the table. But just to finish off that, make that like flower decor from that tablecloth, like just pop out and look more three-dimensional. And I love this. The combination of the flowers and the grass skirt, I think really works well. And you wouldn't think the magnolia would necessarily be a tropical flower. I picked it because it was nice and large, but it actually goes really well with the decor. But again, that pink hibiscus garland would be super cute as well because, that tablecloth already has like the hot pink hibiscus on it anyway. And so I'm just going to continue by hot gluing that on, just onto that mesh ribbon. And you could probably do that before you hung it as well, but I kind of wanted mine to be perfectly spaced out like that. I think it turned out pretty cute for a party table.